Sleigh's changing table with 6 storage baskets by Badger Basket is one of the best sellers among diaper changing tables products. Badger Basket's handsome Sleigh-style baby changing table with 6 baskets has abundant storage to organize everything necessary for frequent diaper and wardrobe changes. Keep everything nearby for safety and convenience. 3 large baskets are ideal for diapers, changing supplies, linens, baby blankets, and toys. 3 small baskets are perfect for lotions, toiletries, wipes, and more. Insert your own paper cards into the front frame on each basket. Baskets have front handles, slide smoothly on their rails, and are fully removable. Includes a foam changing pad and safety belt, too. Safety rails enclose all 4 sides around the top of the table. Metal support bar beneath the changing surface provides additional stability. Table is reversible so the large small baskets can be on either the left or right. Solid wood table has a non-toxic finish and engineered wood top platform. Outside fabric on the baskets is 80% polyester 20% cotton. Inside lining on the baskets, including the bottom board, is non-woven fabric. Overall unit measures 37.5 inches L by 19 inches W by 36 inches H. Large baskets measure 20.75 inches L by 17 inches W by 7.25 inches H. Small baskets measure 10 inches L by 17 inches W by 7.25 inches H. All measurements approximate. Wipe the table and changing pad clean as needed. Spot clean baskets as needed. Basket color depends on color of the table. Baskets are either white or ecru. Changing table is for use with children weighing up to 30 lbs. 13.6 kilograms. Adult assembly required. Illustrated assembly instructions included. Meets all currently applicable testing standards. Product includes a limited warranty of 30 days parts to the original purchaser. Product may vary slightly from shown and described. Props accessories shown are for illustration purposes only and are not included with the product. Actual color finish may vary slightly from screen display. This item ships in its original carton that may include a product photo. Badger Basket's clever Sleigh-style baby changing table with 6 baskets is a complete station for changing and dressing baby and organizing your nursery beyond simple diapering supplies. 2 sizes of baskets pull out smoothly and hold diapers, toiletries, toys, swaddles, blankies, and so much more. 80% polyester 20% cotton, non-woven fabric. Imported. Ample room for diaper changing on top with 6 storage baskets and 2 sizes included below. Fully removable baskets have front handles and pull out easily. Safety rails enclose all 4 sides of the changing area. Includes foam changing pad and safety belt. Wipe and spot clean as needed.